Welcome to EMS Media. There are now over 5 billion mobile phones worldwide. In 2011, over 85% of new handsets will be able to access the internet. Smartphone uptake in the UK increased by a massive 41% in 2010. That's over 15 million new users. 1 in 4 British consumers are now using mobile internet every day. And it is predicted that mobile internet usage will be bigger than desktop internet within 5 years. However, customers are being put off using mobile internet because of websites that don't display or function properly on their mobile phones. How many potential customers could you be missing out on by not having a mobile optimized website? A mobile website takes into account the much smaller screen size of your mobile phone, meaning that the mobile site will load much faster than a standard website. They are leaner in design and more specific to the user's needs. And a mobile site can also include special functions such as click to call, click to map, click to email, and even click to shop, giving your customers the information they need quickly and easily, with less scrolling and clicks. A mobile optimized website gives customers the experience they need and desire. Our mobile websites start from as little as £199. Take advantage of the mobile internet revolution. Call us today on 08447 047 705 or visit our website www.ems-media.co.uk.